sit so face can see you.
Hi, babe.
You guys, we are opening mail. And Tyler just got this shirt. Tell her what this shirt says.
Big brother.
And who is it from?
Auntie Sally.
So what do you say?
Thank you, Auntie Sally.
Alright. And we got this for baby girl, and I'm sure it's coming from
It's
Auntie
for
Sally
me?
too. Yeah, and this one says worth the wait, and it's actually an outfit. Let me show you guys how it look. It have a ruffle on the, and it have a headband, which I think is super cute. So thank you, my girl Sally. Thank you. And
my girl Sally too.
And this one is for Tyler. Let's see what it is.
My shoes.
It's a shoes.
My new shoes.
Who is it from?
Auntie
Sally. Yeah. What do you say?
Thank you, Auntie Sally, for my shoes.
Oh, it's so cute. I love it.
C'est pour moi, papa.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
C'est pour moi,
Thank you, Sally, for all the goodies. It's Tyler godmother, so y'all know what it is. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. As I turn on the camera, I'm seeing my battery flashing, which means it needs to change. But anyway, let me see if I can get through the intro real quick. How are you guys doing? It is a brand new day, and your girl is heading to the doctor to see her girl. My boys are already out. Tyler is off to school. Baby's off to work. But you guys know that babe don't miss his doctor appointment, so he'll be meeting me at my doctor today. We are officially 34 weeks pregnant, so today is going to be a lot of baby girl update. We're heading to see our princess to see how she's doing. As you can see, whew, I am out of breath, but otherwise from that I am doing well. I am here with my gal, rocking one of my queer shirt from one of my girls, Priscilla. Love it. Let me see if I can catch a shot of my outfit of the day so you guys can see. There you go. Oh, there's mama. Comfy is my best policy right now, so I'm in a green leggings, in my queer shirt, and I'm off to see my girl. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, and let's go see the princess. Make today a good one. Whatever it is that you're doing today, make it count. I love you guys, and I'm heading out. As usual, my doctor is
late. Very late.
very late, like more than an hour late. Like 7 persons that's in me.
It's going to be more than an hour.
Oh my gosh. He's never early, ever. So we decided to go and have lunch, and we are at CANT. Can't tell Tyler. But it's always good to have a date with babe, just me and babe. So we're having lunch and then we're gonna take our time to go back to the doctor office because it's late. So yeah, it's grub time. And of course you guys know I'm having hot wings with my fat face.
What's important now is that you feel the baby every day.
Oh, she's active. And it's hard for me to walk.
Yeah, but it's vigorous.
And it's hard for me to sleep.
Yes, it's
She feels like she's all the way down.
Yeah.
Here.
that's for pregnancy.
Oh man.
So
Hey you. Hi. Thank you. You made it for Mama? Yes. What is it? It's a card for Mama Mother's Day. Wow. It says I love Mama. Give me kissy. Can Mama kiss? Yeah. Thank you. Come on, let's go. Come on.
What did they say?
Look at stomach, y'all. Belly. My boy getting ready to go to bed. We have mail, so we're about to open them before he heads to bed. And he's drinking his nightly chocolate milk. Okay, help Papa open the packages.
Tyler?
Oh, help Papa open the packages. What's in that one? Throw it out. Oh, okay. These are our packages that came. We bought these on Amazon UK because in France, this is how the plug stay. It's round with three holes, and in UK it shapes different, just like it like I told you earlier, different country for different shape. Jamaica and USA have the same, but France own is different. And the things that we got from our registry is from UK, so we had to go and buy these where we can push it in here, so then this will be able to hold in ours. So we just buy a few so that way we have options to choose from. So that's what's in package number 1. Tell what's in package number 2. Who is this package from? Ask Papa, who is it from?
Who is it from?
Mimi.
It's from Tyler's great grandma. We didn't expect it, don't know what's in it. So let's see.
Me too.
What is it? What is it, Tyler?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? So why you don't know?
Because
Because what? You're not allowed to say because. You're allowed to know what is inside.
You guys, I'm just here resting
Come
my
on,
big
little one.
stomach. I'm feeling a little pain, but
Attention.
it's normal.
C'est pour qui?
Mama, it's the same that yesterday.
Let me see.
It's the same that
Can you
yesterday.
take it? Wow. Great grandma make more goodies for baby girl. How cute is this?
Hier.
Aww. Grandma have 10 man. Wow, look at this one. Aww, so cute. Oh, look at your little hat. So adorable. Oh my gosh, she's singing along. Look at this one.
Socks fall.
So cute. Oh my gosh. Ah, the socks to match the sweater. And the socks to match. Let me see this one. This one is white. So cute. Oh my gosh. She makes so much stuff. Look at this one. So cute. Oh my gosh. And another one. So cute. That's it? So cute, you guys. Great grandma is on a roll. And she sent some of these already, but I love them.
Somebody think about me. Somebody send me a PS4.
Ah, you wish.
No.
So cute.
What is that?
So
Baby
adorable.
sister.
Let me see.
It's
Oh, the recent lamp.
C'est pour baby
Who is
sister.
it from? No, it's not for baby sister.
C'est pour
Wait,
qui?
wait. Let's do this one at a time. Hold on, Ty. Okay.
Attends.
So I'm not sure who this package is coming from. Is there a name in it?
Yes. Amazon.
Baby, stop playing. Okay.
Melissa.
This might be coming from Shanique. Reason being, Shanique. Wait, baby, wait. Shanique sent me a night touchlight from Amazon that was on our registry, and it came, however, it wasn't working. So I'm wondering if this is the resend that they send us. However, there's more things in the package. In the same package, you have a Paw Patrol puzzle for but Tyler. That's it. It have to be Shanique. Let me see the other one.
It's for me too.
And this is another puzzle, but it's a dinosaur puzzle. 4 different types. And who is this for?
Me.
Tyler. And I think these all from Shanique. So if they're from Shanique, girl, thank you. Thank you so much. What do you say, Tyler?
Thank you, Shani.
No. What do you say? Thank you, Auntie Shanique.
Thank you, Auntie Shani.
Right. That's how you say it, okay?
Okay.
When somebody is older than you, it's auntie and uncle, okay? Alright. Alright, we're gonna put Tyler to bed, and if it's not Shanique, then I'll be sure to insert the name of who sent these goodies. But I love great grandma goodies. Oh my gosh, look at these little socks.
Mama.
Yes, Ty? No, tomorrow after school. So you're gonna put them up in your room, say prayers, and go to bed, okay?
But I want to play.
Not today. And don't let me tell you again, or else I send them back in the mail. Go and put them in your room right now. Go on. So cute. Yes, honey? Baby girl is so ready. How cute are these? She's so ready. And this one have a hat. So cute. Thank you, great grandma. Appreciate it. You guys, the bus is home.
Oh, I was about to fall asleep on the stomach.
My stomach look like a pillow?
Yeah, and a tough pillow. You know the pillow that's too tough and you don't like.
Gosh, she's tipping me out. Look at that.
It's not the pillow that it looks like you have stone inside. I don't know what kind of material is inside the pillow.
Is that?
Oh, yeah, pillow. You can't even fold them. They're too tough.
I don't know what kind of pillow you're talking. You guys, I'm coming on to give you guys updates because ever since I got home I've been busy sleeping one, and then pick up Tyler and been busy home with Tyler since Babe got home and been busy with them. So I didn't really get to tell you guys how doctor went. How big is our girl? 5 pounds and 3 ounces. So baby girl is 5 pounds 3 ounces.
And
She's a
she's
big
doing
girl.
well.
She's doing amazing. She's tipping me out.
Big.
She's she's doing everything that she's supposed to do. Doctor says, how am I doing? I tell him it's getting hard. He said, well, you're at the last, so that's expected of it. We have lots of appointments to make for the hospital.
Well, we have a appointment. That's gonna be the next thing. I think is next Friday. We have an appointment at the hospital for like before to get epidural.
Anesthetist.
Okay, we're gonna see the anesthetist, and at the same time we have to look for the room at the hospital to do all of the pre-admission and all of these things. We advise us to see to take appointment to a doctor every week for monitoring to listen to the baby because he's soon the last
point.
month.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a full checkup to do like well, she have to pee and blood test again
At the lab. What's that one for?
For?
What is it for?
I think maybe if you need something at the end, or for the anesthetist especially, or for the hospital, or if anything needed, or so they have the last thing that's been done.
Okay. Yeah, what else happened today at her appointment? Why are you hiding behind my stomach?
No, because I have the feeling the way I was like
you're hurting me?
Yeah, her.
No.
So I don't want her to come now.
Look at that. You guys saw my stomach just move?
It looks bigger than a basketball.
She's moving right now. She's dancing right now. Look at that.
So yeah, basically that was it. I have another appointment end of the month for the doctor, and yeah.
But all in all, she's doing amazing. Look at her dancing.
She'll soon be out.
She's doing really well.
6 weeks?
6 weeks. Because we're smack 34 weeks today. So by the time you guys seen this, we'll be approaching 35 weeks.
Yeah, we're almost in June.
Yeah.
She's
almost here. That's crazy. So as of now, we're gonna have weekly monitoring after we make that appointment, and then she'll be here. But she's doing well. That's all that matters. She's doing well. Mama is feeling the discomfort and the pains, but that's okay. I'm a tough cookie. I'll make it through.
Your cookie.
Anyway, you guys, we just wanted to give you guys a little update on how she's doing. So she's doing well. She's a big girl. Let's see if she will be bigger than Tyler. Tyler was almost 8 pounds. Comment down below. You guys, task for today is to comment down below how much you think that she's gonna weigh when she's born, and let's see who will get it right whenever she's born. All right, so that's the fun activity for today down in the comment section. All right, you guys, Tyler is off to bed. Yeah, he's off to bed. He had a long day playing all day at his activity school. Tomorrow he's back to his normal school routine. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's little update of baby girl and the fam. We love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. Catch up and keep up with the fam. And this mama is going to bed. My house is a complete mess, but ain't nobody looking at it tonight. Tonight is one of those nights where I'm just gonna crawl in bed and lay there until I fall asleep. And babe looks really tired too, so I wouldn't even say, honey, do that, do this. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow.